Today we're going to watch a video called When You Fake Death to Avoid Arrest. And this is from Midwest Safety. Should be good. Welcome back to Attorney Reacts. Let's roll.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you? You said he hit stuff?
Slammed his head into the wall and then into my door.
So he didn't hit a person?
I threatened to.
You threatened to?
Yeah.
Okay.
I never did, though.
Okay. Do you guys have a chair we can grab real quick? We're going to stand you up real quick, okay, boss man? All right, we're going to stand you up, dude.
I'm not standing up. I will tell you that.
Well, I'm going to have you stand up and we're going to grab a seat in a chair.
Yeah, just...
Okay? Other hand?
No.
I'm not going to leave you sitting on the floor. Yeah, that works. All right, boss man, we're going to grab a seat in the chair, all right?
First off, stand up.
Come on, dude. I'm going to help you up.
I mean,
I'm trying.
You're good.
this is
Are you a
crazy.
friend of his? Are you with him?
Yeah, that's my brother.
It's your what?
That's my brother.
Okay. All right, dude. Look at me. Hey, I need you to look at me.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, will you at least talk to me?
I can do that.
Okay. Do you have an ID or anything like that on you, boss man?
Yeah.
Can I see that real quick?
Cody, how we doing respecting?
That's the sheriff who's talking to you. It's not a
I
fucking board.
don't
I don't care if you give a fuck. It's a fucking sheriff.
Fuck that sheriff.
I'm not helping you get out.
You don't need to.
All right, man. Step back for a second. I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna talk to you here in a second. Okay? So walk me through what happened.
There was a little bit of a disturbance. We wanted to remove them from the situation. It was with another guest. Really wasn't an issue until we came upstairs. The other gentleman paid his tab. At that point, downstairs in the showroom, he was like staring pretty hard. When we came up here, he just started yelling. He wanted to take a moment at the bar. He took his moment. He was just staring intently on my other manager. I removed him from the situation. And then at that point, he just kind of got irate, slammed his head up against the wall.
Was there any damage to the wall?
Was there any dent?
Oh.
Yeah. And then slammed his head against the glass. There's no damage there. But then he started flailing.
So there was no direct, like, he like walked up to it. I'm just using
Trying to, but
I don't think he actually made
And then I was able to restrain him and subdue him on the ground with a full Nelson.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is now my favorite manager dealing with a drunk patron of all time. He put him in a 1980s WrestleMania hold and said it to a cop unironically. I don't use the word hero very often, but this manager is the greatest hero in American history.
I was never in a full Nelson, though.
No, what? No. There's no way. There's no way we are now arguing about whether or not he successfully full Nelson to this guy. I can't believe, I cannot believe this. Oh, I'm like actually like heating up. I'm feeling flushed. This is so insane. He did not put me in a full Nelson.
For sake of conversation, he said that. It's neither here nor there. We're trying to get to the bottom of what's going on tonight.
Okay.
I call BS on the cop. The most important legal issue is whether or not he did get him into a full Nelson. I need to know. America needs to know.
So what's going on
full
tonight?
Nelson never happened.
No,
Okay,
I
so
know.
it
No, there's no way. There's no way he brought it up again. Oh, this is insane. This is the best ever. This is the best ever. There's no way he got me in a full Nelson. Oh my! I'm like, this is unbelievable.
Obviously, you're believing shit that didn't happen.
Well, you weren't talking to me before, so I need to figure something out,
And
right?
this motherfucker is a fucking liar. He never had me in a full Nelson.
You go by Christian, Chris.
It doesn't fucking
I'm
matter
gonna call
at
you
this
Christian,
point.
okay? Well,
It
it does
doesn't
matter.
fucking
So
matter
here's the
at this
thing.
point.
Here's the thing.
This motherfucker never had me at a full Nelson.
I can't believe that this is what they're arguing about. Oh, God, this is so fantastic. The cop is right. Perhaps whether he did or didn't is not the most pressing issue, but it is certainly, it's the only thing I care about right now.
We're talking. You're an adult. I'm an adult.
And this
We're talking.
motherfucker is a
I'm not
liar.
worried about him. I'm trying to talk to you.
He's a fucking liar.
Stop. You weren't talking to me in the first place. So now you're talking to me. So are you going to talk to me about what happened?
Oh, listen.
This motherfucker is
Brittany,
a
can you
liar.
talk to him outside?
Okay, sorry.
Okay, then tell me your report. Because you can't just say that someone's a liar and not tell me anything more to the situation.
Well, to be honest, I am drunk.
Okay,
Oh,
there's nothing
yeah.
wrong with that.
All
Yeah.
I know is nobody ever put me in any kind of.
Okay, then nobody put you in a full nuts, and I'll agree with you on that. I'll take
I
your word
can't
for it, okay?
believe
Unless
it.
you wonder that you were on the ground being held by him, so something led up to that point. I'm trying to figure out what led up to that point. I have his side, and now I'm trying to get yours, but you weren't talking to me in the first place.
The manager says that he climbed up to the top rope in the corner of the ring and jumped on you, body slamming you to the ground. I mean, this is unbelievable.
Well, something happened.
That's a true
Well,
statement.
Obviously, yes.
Yeah.
But I have no idea what. I have no idea what the happened. All I know is
reason
this
why
motherfucker
Worrying
needs
about
to
him.
fucking get a bullet through his head too.
No, we're
True.
not. Why? Can we act like adults
Who
here for
else
this
has-
situation so we can get to the bottom of this and figure out what we need to do to get you on your way? And
Is
go
this a
where
murder
we need to go?
investigation?
Welcome to 2023, and nothing is an adult anymore. No. You can't call me an adult. That's assuming my age.
What? That doesn't even make sense.
Welcome to 2023. Neither
Okay.
does assuming a gender.
I'd never assumed your gender. We never even spoke about gender.
Well, it's the same concept.
It's not.
Yeah, it is. I identify as an innocent 23-year-old,
Okay.
and you can't do anything against it. And then you're a
can.
transphobe.
That makes no sense whatsoever.
That's the way the world's working now.
It may be in your head for right now in this given situation, but that's not how the world actually works.
That's the way the world's working right now. If he wanted to identify as a woman, I couldn't
What
say
does
shit.
that have to do with anything that we're trying to get to? I'm trying to figure out what's going on with you. You're bouncing your head off the walls.
And I will still do that. All I have to do is punch in the balls, and
That's not going to happen.
so how do I have to make that happen?
Yeah, I cannot believe he's telling him what his plan of escape is, and it involves a sack punch. Come on, this is crazy.
I'm pretty sure I can.
No, you can't. I promise you that. And then you would catch a felony, and then you go to prison. So that's a lose-lose.
No, I'm pretty sure I can cause that. Because once I punch you in the balls, I can grab your gun.
No, you won't.
Do you really want to try it?
Well, I'm going to advise you not to even think about trying it.
But do
Agreed.
you want to?
No, I really don't.
Because honestly, in your eyes, it just looks like you want that challenge.
this
I'm trying to talk
this
to
is
you
the
as an
greatest.
adult, but we're not getting there.
You want that challenge.
How about we do this? I'm going to stand you up, and we're going to go grab a seat in my car. Does that sound good?
I feel more like just hitting you in the chin.
I mean, it's your right to try it if you would like, but I would not advise it.
This cop is unbelievable. He is acting like he is an AI who's programmed to not care about anything and just to be as cool as a cucumber. I cannot believe it's your right to try, but I would advise you don't. It's actually not his right to try because it's illegal to punch a cop. It is not a right to punch a cop. And that's why if you do it, you can end up in jail where someone will put you in a full Nelson.
So let me ask you this. Are you threatening physical harm upon me?
Yes.
You want to cause harm to me?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Something's going to happen because I'm not moving from here.
You are going to move from there, I promise you that.
Then you're going to get a fist to your chin.
No, I'm not. So this is what we're going to do. Kristen,
I can't-
It's Christian, right?
I can't believe this.
Okay, Christian, stand up for me.
Nope.
Well, you're still going to stand up nonetheless.
Don't touch me.
I'm giving you the opportunity to stand up. Okay.
It's his
Put us
right
down.
to stand
Put
up.
Give me your hands. Stop. Come here.
What?
I'm dead weight.
Oh, that's fine. I can handle that weight.
I,
Go and put your hands on your back.
I cannot believe this.
Christian, right now you're going to be detained.
Yeah.
Christian, are you going to walk at all? Christian. Are you going to walk at all? Christian.
And now he's playing possum. I cannot believe this guy. It's going to be really hard to punch the cop in the balls when your hands are in cuffs behind your back and you're pretending you're asleep. This is unbelievable. I'm not sure he's
Are you
pretending.
gonna respond? If you can hold the chair so it doesn't slide out for me. What
Now,
did
if
he
you could
say?
just put him in a full
He
note.
said that before all this started, he accidentally, or maybe not so accidentally, touched an older woman's leg that was sitting next to him, and that started off everything.
Yeah, something I have no memory of.
I'm back,
It's
baby!
Obviously the cause of all this. Yeah, something I know nothing about, and it's definitely a charge.
I'm assuming you guys want to trespass as well.
Oh, I think so.
I have my knee right here next to your balls.
What is up with you and balls?
Do you want me to hit you in them?
No. You already have enough charges now. Because you threatened physical
I cannot
violence
believe
against
this
law
cop.
enforcement
This cop is so cool and calm and collected. I can't. Best question of all time from a cop. What is it with you and balls? This is, I did not know this. I did not know this was happening today. I did not know this was happening. This is unbelievable.
officer. Not charge on himself.
All right, well,
That's not happening.
something's gonna happen.
No, it's not.
I don't-
Because you're going to make your problems worse.
Wait,
I don't
is he
give a
expecting-
Put the ground. Let go of the chair, Christian.
I want your fucking gun.
You're not getting my gun, but I'm going to lean you on your side so you don't suffocate.
I want your fucking gun right now. I want the fucking gun. I don't give a about the cuffs.
Cross his legs. Here, you hold his chest. Hold his chest.
Oh my goodness.
Get your fucking hand off my shoulder.
You all saw the move with the legs there. This guy could make it onto the Australian breakdancing team. That was fantastic.
Oh, you already pooped yourself, so.
What, dude?
Okay.
I can feel my pants. I did not put myself.
I was punched.
Oh, you were punched?
The uppercut.
Oh, he uppercut you. If you don't mind hanging out, I'm going to need a statement from you that he hit you. He's going to be going to jail tonight, but he headbutted the wall a few times. I don't believe he ever lost consciousness, but he was unresponsive for a second once I put him in cuffs. I pretty much just want a safety check from him.
Listen to me.
Don't fucking touch me.
He's going to fight, so that's the other problem that we have. If we can get him to the car, then we can assess him there, because I can at least restrain him a little bit better.
All right. I'm the paramedic.
I don't give a fuck.
I'm just here to help you, my man. All right, we're gonna help you out. 1, 2.
I told you I'm not helping.
That's fine.
Put it behind.
Feeling 3 straight up. Top.
Oh yeah, just another bill that I'm not gonna fucking pay. Get the fuck off my foot.
So we're going to have to somehow get him seated on the passenger side. Oh, he's going to fight. So let me take the straps off. I got
Yeah,
feet.
grab that foot.
Yo, get that foot.
I got it. He's gonna move the cup.
They're going to have to put this guy in full Hannibal Lecter gear in order to make this happen. This is crazy.
Just keep pushing.
Oh, that's what she said.
They're gonna give a fuck about your bullshit here.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hold on, I'm holding his feet. God bless it, dude. God bless it, dude. Stop. For f***'s sake, stop. Shut the f*** up. God bless, dude. You're making this 10 times harder.
Exactly.
No, he's gonna wedge his head. Sarge, he's gonna wedge his head. There, I got one door. I'm done with it. I'm just gonna lift him up and we're gonna close the door again.
You piece of shit. Hey, what's your name, man?
Christian.
Fuck you. That's my name. You got people fucking laughing back there.
I'm guilty. If it's a crime to laugh at this guy, throw away the key, because I'm guilty. This guy is clown. Wow. Kids, don't abuse alcohol.
I heard it. I heard I can still hear it.
Nobody's laughing, dude.
I can hear it.
Look,
Stupid piece of...
thank God. Stop. God bless it. I can't restrain him. He's in his head. Stop. Stop, dude. What is going on?
I told you.
That's not going to do anything but give you a headache, dude. No, I'm leaving.
All right.
I'm taking him to the jail.
Jail.
God bless it, dude.
I want to Venmo this cop some money. This is unbelievable.
Get a criminal damaging now.
You fucking whore. Oh, now I get it. You fucking scared bitch.
Just go ahead and call the jail. Tell him to be standing by with the restraint chair. He's still kicking out the windows and banging his head. Christian, you good? Are you good? Christian! 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 Are you okay? Here. He's faking it again.
Wake up, there you are. How you doing? Hi, how are you? Huh? Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up, come on.
He's gonna kick. I'm letting you know he's gonna kick.
You're gonna slide that way. There you go, dude. Stand up, bro.
Come on, Christian.
Come on. All right, there you go.
He went limp there too.
Man, these cops are like saints. I can't believe.
Christian was charged with resisting, menacing, disorderly conduct, and assault. Court records indicate the suspect served 2 days in jail, with the rest of the 90-day sentence suspended as part of a plea agreement.
Menacing. Now, that's a charge we don't see every day. That was the verbal threat to the cop. And for a quick recap, it was punching him in the balls, taking his gun, punching him in the chin, more with the balls, one more on the chin. Didn't do a lot of time in jail, but also maybe this guy needs some treatment for a problem that he has. And the only problem that you might have is if you haven't hit the subscribe button. Imagine it's the chin of that cop and you're drunk out of your mind like Christian. Just hit the subscribe button. Don't want you to miss any content. We will be back soon. See ya.
Big verdict.